Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to wear a claw clip flower. First, choose a beautiful flower claw clip that complements your hair. Next, gather your hair into your desired style, perhaps a low ponytail or a chic half-up look. Then, open the clip wide and secure it firmly at the base of your hair, ensuring it feels snug and comfortable. This simple step creates a lovely, elegant foundation for your hairstyle. Once your clip is in place, you can explore many styles. For a romantic feel, try a half-up, half-down look, letting soft waves flow freely. If you prefer something more casual, secure a messy bun with your flower clip for an effortlessly chic vibe. You can even use two smaller clips to elegantly frame your face by pulling back front sections of hair. To ensure your flower clip stays put, make sure its teeth grip a good amount of hair, preventing any slipping. Adjust the clip's position until it feels perfectly comfortable, so you can wear it all day without any fuss. For an extra secure hold, especially if you have fine or silky hair, a light mist of hairspray can work wonders. To keep your beautiful flower clip looking its best, clean it regularly with a damp cloth to maintain its shine. Store your clips carefully to prevent any damage to the delicate flower design, ensuring they last a long time. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.